Hi, I'm Jae Francis Lee. I'm immigration attorney in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin. I'm also a college professor and first-generation immigrant. Welcome to Civics Test 102. Today, I'm going to explain Civics Test questions 6, 27, 34, 38. First off, I'll briefly explain an overview of naturalization process. On the day of your N400 interview, you'll be tested on your knowledge of the government and history of the United States. In most cases, you will be also tested on reading, writing, and speaking English. When you pass both civics and English tests, officer will conduct an interview to determine your eligibility to become a U.S. citizen. About 30 to 120 days after your successful interview, you will attend a naturalization ceremony to receive a certificate of naturalization. Question 6. What is run right or freedom from the First Amendment? You may answer right or freedom of speech, religion, assembly, press, or petition the government. The First Amendment was added to U.S. Constitution in 1791. It prevents the government from promoting one religion over others and restricting individuals' religious practices. It also prohibits the government from restricting the press or individuals' right to speak freely. It also guarantees the right of citizens to assemble peacefully and petition their government. The First Amendment is the first of the 10 rights granted on the Bill of Rights. Question 27. In what month presidential election takes place? You must answer November. The presidential election takes place on the first Tuesday in November every 4 years. This election determines who will be the next president and vice president of the United States for a 4-year term in office. Why the presidential election is held in November dates back to the farming culture in the United States. Late fall before winter was the best option for citizens to be able to cast their vote because it would not overlap with a planting or harvest season. In 1854, the U.S. Congress mandated the first Tuesday in November be the uniform national date. Question 34. Who vetoes bills? You must answer the president. The president has power to veto a bill which prevents it from becoming law. The president has 10 days, excluding Sundays, to sign a bill passed by the Congress or veto and send it back to the House. The veto can be overridden only by a 2/3 votes in both the Senate and the House. Question 38. What is the highest court in the United States? You must answer the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is highest tribunal in the nation. As the final arbiter of the law, the court has a discretion to review the case on appeal or try certain cases. The number of the Supreme Court justices has been 9 shortly after the Civil War. They're appointed by the President, are confirmed by the Senate, and serve for life. Stay tuned for additional Civics Test episodes. Francis Law Center, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell.